internet of value at Ripple, we're thinking much bigger than just cross-border payments. It's kind of like Amazon with rare books in the early days, just this market happens to be a $10 trillion market.
We are at a historic turning point.
Said in the past that you are doing for money what email did for communication.
Moving the whole revolution forward.
Take on it.
There's trillions of dollars parked around the world.
XRP.
Is there a possibility that Ripple could take over SWIFT one day?
Well,
I have not heard from any one client they're looking to buy a cryptocurrency at this time. I have
right now. You are where then? You are.
What do you mean?
Just studying it?
We're studying it. We're looking how they perform. We're looking at that type of data to understand it as we think about other products. But right now, I can tell you it worldwide. I have not heard from one client who said, I need to be in this.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to an episode of 24 Hour Script. Let's get right into today's video. When a multi-trillion-dollar asset company CEO comes out, a billionaire, and says, we're not looking into it, that's something you should be looking into. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. That video was back from 2017. I'm going to play the full video of Larry Fink just putting down Bitcoin. Even back in 2017, calling it an index of money laundering. Here it is.
But most importantly, what I think about most of these cryptocurrencies, it just identifies how much money laundering there is being done.
And then coming out and saying clients have zero interest in crypto, BlackRock CEO says. But folks, some very shady activity is going on. I tweeted this out yesterday. You see what BlackRock did? This was all orchestrated to see how the market would react to an approval. These guys are just playing games at this point. Unreal. And what are the odds? When the rumor comes out saying the BlackRock ETF has been approved, he appears on Fox saying this. Wow.
this rally is way beyond the rumor. I think the rally today is about a flight to quality with all the, all the issues around the Israeli war now, global terrorism. And I think there's more people running into a flight to quality, whether that is in treasuries, gold, or crypto, depending on how you think about it. And I believe crypto will play that type of role as a flight to quality.
And in the beginning, he's talking about how they're studying it, how they're performing. Folks, they're also studying how retail is reacting to all of this that is happening right now. As you guys could see, massive pump and right back down. It went from $26,000 to $30,000, folks. I don't think people understand how much of money is on standby from institutional investors, and let alone forget utility, folks. XRP is going to completely shock the world. But listen to this. Why would the SEC come out and say, be careful what you read on the internet? The best source of information about the SEC is the SEC. And they came out and said this about the Bitcoin ETF indirectly. Something that just doesn't sit well with me. I don't think this was an inside job with Cointelegraph, BlackRock, the marketing agencies, the SEC. But for the SEC to come out and tweet this, and then Larry Fink go on Fox and say, we heard about the rumor the same day.
This rally is way beyond the rumor. I think
And listen to what he had to say here, folks. This is absolutely crazy.
True that you're building out a cryptocurrency capability?
No. I mean, we're looking at it. As I said, in the past, we are very excited about blockchain technology. That's what we're looking at, even in the Aladdin universe, what we're trying to do there. So we're looking at blockchain technologies, and we're looking at all the crypto.
Blockchain isn't crypto. Blockchain is just the underlying technology.
Well, that's the most important thing. Whether it is a cryptocurrency, we're studying them to see how they're performing. And it may be,
Don't your clients want crypto exposure?
No, I don't believe any client has sought out crypto exposure.
Really?
Yes.
But at some point they might. Do you need to be prepared?
I don't, at the moment, no.
It's interesting.
Yeah.
Goldman Sachs is building out a cryptocurrency trading desk. Morgan Stanley is doing the same thing.
I'm not in the trading area.
Morgan's doing the same thing.
Yes, because there's elements of people who are looking to trade it. I have not heard from any one client they're looking to buy a cryptocurrency at this time. I have
right now. You are where then? You are.
What do you mean?
Just studying it?
We're studying it. We're looking how they perform. We're looking at that type of data to understand it as we think about other products. But right now, I can tell you it worldwide. I have not heard from one client who said, I need to be in this. I'm a big believer in the potential of what a cryptocurrency can do. You see huge opportunities in it, but what we're talking about today, it's really much more of a speculative. People are speculating on it, but most importantly, what I think about most of these cryptocurrencies, it just identifies how much money laundering there is being done in the world, how much people are trying to move currencies from one place to another.
Is it time yet for BlackRock to either trade in digital assets or digital virtual currencies, if you prefer, or to create a product for your clients?
We're not hearing any demand from any of our clients other than maybe some speculative stuff. We're being asked that question, but it's more of like a venture capital type of.
And he pretty much just lied to your face. Are you building out a cryptocurrency capability? And he says, no. Like, do you guys see this?
True that you're building out a cryptocurrency capability?
No. I mean, we're looking at it.
Well, that is why only the 1% of the world's population is going to benefit off the wealth that's going to be generated by crypto. And before we end the video off today, ladies and gentlemen, I want to announce that I have partnered up with BingX. And if you guys deposit $30,000 using my link, you will receive $30 USD. I'm absolutely kidding. All you got to do is just sign up and you got 30 USD. You don't even need to deposit anything. I'm sick and tired of the exchanges that say, here's 30 USD when you deposit $100 or when you deposit $250. We worked it out. So if you guys use my link in the description down below, you guys will receive a free $30 USD voucher for trading, and the profits you will be able to cash out. And you will also receive a 50 USDT trading bonus for users who reach 20K. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, it's only the first 200 users for the next 72 hours. That is $30 USDT for free. All you got to do is just use the link in the description down below. No deposit necessary. And we will be coming out with another video. We're going to do some trades, folks. We are going to do some trades. We got to be in here because there's going to be some big movements, and I personally don't want to miss it.
We started building RippleNet with the thesis that crypto liquidity would eventually be able to support robust global payments, large payments. RippleNet was designed so that customers seeing the benefits of our fiat-based network could flip the switch to ODL once the market was mature enough. And this is exactly what's happening. Flip the switch.
I think what we're building has, it's solving a real problem. And I think all of the tokens, my advice to anybody would be, understand the utility. If there's real utility and there's real value being delivered to a real customer, there will be value in the token.